Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to turn your design into a working app faster, connecting Figma with Lovable is a powerful way to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to link the two using a simple workflow. No confusion, just a clear path from design to development. Let's get started. Begin by opening your project in Figma. This is your starting point, so make sure the design you want to use is fully loaded and visible. Having it open gives you complete access to all the elements you'll need for the integration. Once your design is ready, head down to the bottom of the interface and open the Actions menu. From there, select the Plugins and Widgets section. It's the fourth from last button. This is where you can add the tools required to connect your design to other platforms. Next, go up to the search bar and type builder.io in the plugin search bar. This plugin is essential for the process. When it appears in the results, click on it, and if it's your first time, hit Run to install and activate it. This tool handles the export and makes the connection process much easier. After launching the plugin, look for the Export option. Click on it, and you'll be asked to choose an export method. Select Classic Export, since it's the simplest and most reliable option for working with Lovable. Then, choose the version of your design you want to export. Make sure you pick the correct and most up-to-date version to avoid issues later. Once the export is complete, you'll see an option to open your project in Lovable. Click it, and your design will automatically load there. From this point, you can refine your project, make improvements, and even deploy your app directly. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully connected your Figma design to Lovable and taken a big step toward turning your ideas into a live product. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and keep building.